Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so blessed. I am overwhelmed with joy at all the happy mail that Darren and I get on this channel. We also have met a lot of friends from YouTube Dolly friends, and that to me is the grail. You know how you have grail dolls? To me, meeting the other people that share the same hobby, that's what it's about for me. It's fun. I just got to meet Irene Huff from Irene Huff's Dolly Space. She lives in the same state that I do, about 3 hours, just over 3 hours from where we are. Darren had gone down to her town and bought some train track from a gentleman that he found online. Then we went back and bought more, and they had been talking about the train club down there. So Darren and I went down to the train club, and I contacted Irene, let her know we were coming, and yes, she was able to meet up. And we met at a coffee shop. Her daughter, who is so lovely inside and out, I mean just lovely, and her son-in-law, great people. And Irene, I'm just over the moon to have gotten to meet her again and actually sit down and talk. We had met her at the St. Louis doll show a couple years ago, but we didn't really get a chance to sit down and talk. Anyway, wait till you see what she brought us. Oh my goodness. She brought me this My First Barbie, and I can't tell you how thrilled I am with this doll. Dory from Dory's Dollies had also given me one of these, and I never took the one from Dory out of the box, and I did not want to. I'm a box collector. I collect in and out of the box, and I love having two dolls so that I can take one out and leave one in. We're going to get her out of the box in just a minute. She also brought me all these patterns. Look at this. There's 70s. You know, I love the 70s. I'm from the 70s. These are for the bigger fashion dolls. Oh, she got me two so I could copy that out. And gave me extra. Oh, this is so cool. And these are by Jude. And Jude has a channel on YouTube where she shows you just how to make these. Irene, thank you for the extra set. Oh my goodness, thank you for the extra set. Really appreciate that. And that's not all. There is also these two little bags, and Irene said these are what she gives for Christmas. And there's one for Darren and I each. Let me make sure everything's out of here. Daisy got to meet Irene too. And Irene had a new Holly Hobby doll. Oh, it's really cute. Looks like her daughter. Let me show you what's in mine. Darren did not open his at the coffee shop, so he's going to open this on camera. I'm going to come around and hold the camera, and he'll open this on camera. Inside this bag are the fixings for a very fun evening. Look at this. Hot chocolate with a wooden spoon. And you know what? When I'm done with that, or maybe before, my dolls are going to get that. If nothing else, my baby alives. Look at these cute socks with the black kitty on it. We have two black cats, and they are wonderful. Not just popcorn, but Orville Redenbacher. That's the best. A bag of marshmallows and peppermint. What a nice, nice evening. I'm going to come around and hold the camera for Darren.
All righty here. This is from Irene. Thank you so much, Irene. Just appreciate that you even think of me. Look at this. Oh, kitty, brown shoe, brown. Yeah.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's the black kitty brand.
I'll bet they're your size.
Well, if not, they will be.
Okay. Popcorn. My popcorn. I might actually get a full bag. No, we share our popcorn quite nicely. Comes unassembled, which is very cute.
That is really cute. I didn't notice
Hot
that.
chocolate
Swiss Miss.
and bubble wrapped
That is so nice.
candy.
That is so nice.
which you could use as your stir.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, wait. And that made me think, oh, I better look again,
Oh,
indeed.
wow, those are so cool. And
Yeah.
they're wooden. That's
Yeah.
the cool part.
And this one's different than yours.
I like that.
It's,
Very cool.
they're different kind of spoons.
That is very cool.
That is cool.
I've never even seen those before.
Me neither. Thank you. Thank you.
Look how cute she is. And they have the bend and snap elbows, the bend and snap knees, and she could ride a horse. And even, let's see, if you put the reins right and bent her arms, she could hold the reins. I like that. I like that a lot. Look at her pretty little face. This is a nice doll. The only thing I would say is with the rubbery legs and arms, I had a little trouble getting the shoes on, but that also means these shoes are gonna stay on. I like that. She comes with a brush, a poodle, and a crown. I am not gonna take those out of the box. I'm gonna package the box back up, and I'm gonna do some sewing for this girl. Thank you so much, Irene. Oh gosh, what a fun day. I'm looking forward to doing it again. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, Irene.